Abaturage bahamya leta ryemwe n'imwe ahanyanja ya George baraganzire kuma ahabo by'ubwegese okuba bibi omushicweka cyabo abantu babo kukira munonga babukuru ngo town council bakajemeserezwa kwetandikiraho akashomero bwanyuma yo kutegereza rya government rikabura
kifyona kulinya lya mukama katonda kino kuwangala ngese ne banga lyeri mara yendwa Allah amina suma amina
ikigamba ko hamyara myinji abana bakahujura mu kushohe byenyanja no kwejumbira umuhenda berajuru
secondary school ne supportingwa majorly about 80% ne supportingwa bashohi buri lyado rutashiringira 10 meaning ngu ngaka inja yonka ina mato sanju namnana sanju na 3 namnana ejo masangoje ne mtwaro musanju na kanana every day
is really very important, and they have done something very great in most cases. In landing site, actually areas around the lake, people tend not to consider education as something very important, but these people really, they have a vision. This school is going to help us a lot as a place and as a country, and also it will help most of the children who tend to go in illegal fishing and also other crimes. So I would request that let us embrace this initiative. We support the school and let our children start here.
Nikigamba kwishomereri abazire bakartanchiro mu majuge mpansano hamwaro gwa Kayinja landing site emyaka 3 nyuma nuko town council kubahita kari kombekaho ubwa hati bimkize kizimbe cye 2003 konkana bwe sente ziri ku rugo mu byenyanja ziri kumara
ebintu bikwetaga nkipa bishomero tutine to bikumara tutine computer tutine apparatus zikumara so twansaba government ninga ene dona ayakubasa kutuyamba ahadebe
bo mwaro bakabambaye kwasa ngu distance kuruga bukurungu kuzo mashomera gandi nahari konka hata tutandikire ishomereri nturi abana mbacengira munonga nababire bashitamire abana bayegerezeho bagaruka mu mashomero nabazire kandi kintu bariyomba cyagera munonga bariyomba jya ngishomero rukoreki ishomero rubeho
abebembezi abarmu MP Nuru byamukama ahabwashitagwenda na Nyakato Dorothy Nzibonera MP ahabwabacara baraganise kwishomereri na government neja kurutwara etyebaho buhwezi
mwaro harimo ibizibu nka 2023 icyo kubanza harimo sirimu nyingi aho kuba research gakorwa harimo sirimu nyingi kandi harimo abana batakushoka konka bukurungu ba example bakore cyabo kandi bakore ikintu kirungi munonga okureba ngo batandika ishomero yabo ya secondary
financial ya iturumu ndaka kiko kebyo bwegese yine kubagandara ngo bukurungerumu amashomera gitwabiretire mu buriya garumu kandi nejo tukastama n'aba ministry nabagira ngo status y'amashomera gabire garumu geine kubane gapiaringa because tumwine kujanga umureta amasiyaka mwine kuba ngapiaringa ninga ineni kesi twine kongera muki amasiyaka
amakuru agagasha kwa Sharif Murungi aba Sky Television Agensho.